In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Outlook. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of connecting your HubSpot CRM with Outlook so you can seamlessly manage your communications and contacts. Whether you're new to HubSpot or Outlook, or just looking to integrate the two, this tutorial is designed to provide you with a clear and straightforward path to a successful integration. To start, open up your preferred search engine and enter HubSpot CRM in the search bar. Click on the result that directs you to the HubSpot CRM software page. Once you've landed on the page, you'll want to click on Get Started Free to begin the setup process. This will direct you towards creating or accessing your HubSpot account. If you already have an account, simply select or enter your login information and continue. Choose to proceed with the existing user and select the account you wish to integrate. Then, click on Continue with this account. Next, navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. You'll find it under the Marketplace section once you're logged in. Click on HubSpot Marketplace and in the search field, type in Outlook. This search should bring up a few options. Look for the listing that mentions Outlook and click on it. Once you have the correct result, you'll be prompted to click on Install. This step begins the installation process of HubSpot's integration with Outlook. It ensures that all relevant features are available for seamless communication between both platforms. Following the installation, head to the Microsoft App Source page. Here, locate the HubSpot Sales add-on. Once you've found it, click on the option that says Get It Now to install the application onto your Outlook. This feature will facilitate the flow of data and interaction between your emails and CRM, making it easier to track communication and manage client relationships. After this installation, open Outlook and ensure you sign in with your credentials. This part of the process is essential as it will allow HubSpot to link and sync with your Outlook account, culminating the integration. All your future emails and communications can be effectively managed through HubSpot once both platforms are connected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot with Outlook, ensuring a smooth transition of information and greater efficiency in managing your contacts and interactions. This powerful integration will allow you to boost productivity and have better oversight of your communications. Feel free to reach out in the comments if any questions arise during the process. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.